Question number 1. 5 journal entries for the following transaction. What is given? Started business with cash rupees 60,000. Started business with 60,000. Have you got the question? Page number 8.48 in new book. अमाउंट देखो कहीं मिलेगा. स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विद कैश 60,000. गुड्स परचेज फ्रॉम पंकज. थर्ड ट्रांजेक्शन है. पुरानी बुक में तो होगा नहीं, शायद लग नहीं रहा है. हाँ तो नहीं परचेज. चलो ठीक है. अब जिनके पास नहीं है ट्रांजेक्शन लिखते जाओ साथ साथ. Started business with cash 60,000. There are two accounts, one is cash, another is capital. आपको जनरल एंट्री लिखनी है डायरेक्ट. कैश एंड कैपिटल. कैश इज रियल, कैपिटल इज पर्सन. कैश comes into the business, then cash account debit. Entry is cash account debit to capital. कौन से कॉलम में जाएगा अमाउंट? डेबिट का अमाउंट डेबिट में 60,000, क्रेडिट का क्रेडिट में 60,000. गुड्स परचेज फॉर कैश 15,000. बिल्कुल नरेशन लिखना है. बीइंग स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विद कैश. Purchase goods for cash. There are two accounts. One is purchases, another is cash. Cash is real and purchase कौन सा अकाउंट? पर्सनल, रियल, नॉमिनल. Nominal. Purchase our expense and nominal account rule says debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. There is purchases account debit to cash, cash goes out, and 15,000. Third, goods purchased from Pankaj on credit. Then one account is purchases and second is Pankaj is person, purchases is nominal. Purchase our expense should be debited. Then entry is purchases account debit and Pankaj personal account. He is receiver or the giver. Goods purchased from Pankaj. Pankaj cannot be receiver. He is giver. And personal account rule says debit the receiver, credit the giver. Giver Pankaj. And what amount? 80,000. Narration being goods purchased from Pankaj. Next is goods sold to Naresh. 9,000. Goods sold. One is Naresh, another is sales. Sales is nominal, Naresh is personal. In this case, Naresh is our customer. He is receiver or giver of that goods. Debit the receiver, debit, and sales our income or expense. Credit. Then entry is Naresh is receiver, Naresh account debit, sales credit amount rupees 8,000 and 8,000. 9,000, sorry. Goods returned to Pankaj. When goods returned, it is called purchase return. हमने return किया है, purchase return. Then return to Pankaj. Pankaj is personal account and goods returned. We have returned, that is purchases return, that is also nominal. Purchase is our expense, but purchase return is our income. जब अपन गुड्स परचेज करते हैं तो पैसा देना पड़ता है, जब रिटर्न करते हैं तो पैसा अपन को मिलता है. तो परचेज रिटर्न इज आवर इनकम. क्या करता है इनकम का? क्रेडिट. पंकज इज रिसीवर. पंकज रिसीवर, पंकज अकाउंट डेबिट. And to purchase return, how much we have returned? 12,000. Goods returned by Naresh. Earlier we have sold goods to Naresh. This time this is not purchase return. This is sales return. Again there are, yes. हाँ कर रहे. Goods returned by Naresh. Earlier we have sold goods to Naresh. पहले अपन ने नरेश को गुड्स सेल किया, अब नरेश ने अपन को रिटर्न किया. तो कौन कौन से दो अकाउंट हो गया? एक हो गया नरेश, एक हो गया सेल्स रिटर्न. नरेश पर्सनल, सेल्स रिटर्न नॉमिनल. नरेश रिसीवर और द गिवर. Then credit, his account should be credited. And sales return our expense. When goods are sold, it is our income, but same goods is returned by the customer, then amount is to be refunded to customer. देना पड़ता है, तो expense, तो debit. Then entry is sales return account debit to Naresh, amount rupees 1,400. यहां तक कंप्लीट करो जल्दी से. पेज भर गया तो अपन ने पढ़ा कि क्या करते हैं, पेज भर जाता तब बैलेंस को आगे ले जाते हैं, उसको अपन कहते हैं टोटल. तो यहां पर लिखेंगे टोटल. कैरी फॉरवर्ड total is 60, 75, 83, 93, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 13, 1 lakh 14,400, 1,14,400. अब नए पेज पर on next page we have to write down total brought forward. Total brought forward. जिनका पेज नहीं भरा है उनको कंटिन्यू करना है, जिनका पेज भर गया उसको नेक्स्ट पेज पे लिखना है टोटल ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड. नेक्स्ट, what has given cash back to Ajay. There are two accounts, Ajay and cash. Ajay is personal account, cash is real. Cash comes in or goes out when paid to Ajay. And real account rule says debit what comes in, credit what goes out. तो जो जा रहा है उसको क्रेडिट, कैश क्रेडिट. Now personal account, Ajay. Ajay is receiver or the giver? received. Then debit. अच्छी तरह से बनाना है जर्नल, क्योंकि आगे अपन इसी के बेसिस पे बनाएंगे लेजर, इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस की। अजय इज रिसीवर, अजय अकाउंट डेबिट एंड कैश गोes out to cash, an amount is given 6,000. Next, commission received. Received means cash and commission. Cash is real, commission is nominal. Cash comes in or goes out when it is received. Commission received. Then received means cash comes in or goes out. Comes in means debit. Commission, if it is received, then it is our income or expense. Income. And nominal account rule says debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Cash, debit, and to commission 2,700. Next, furniture purchased. There are two accounts, one is furniture, another is cash. Furniture, real account, cash, real account. Why furniture is not our expense? It is our assets because furniture has its life more than an accounting year. यानी फर्नीचर की लाइफ एक साल से ज्यादा है. फर्नीचर इज नॉट टू बी सोल्ड in the business because we are not in the trade of furniture. हम फर्नीचर का काम नहीं कर रहे. Goods are purchased, and what is the motive of goods purchased? Sales. But as far as furniture is concerned, there is no motive of sales. अगर फर्नीचर खरीदा तो इसका मोटिव हमारा सेल करने का नहीं है. Clear? Then it is not our expense, it is our asset, so it is real account. Furniture comes in debit and cash goes out credit. Then entry furniture account debit to cash 7,000. Yes, next. Rent paid to Amit. Yes. Rent paid to Amit. What's our to account? हाँ, wrong. गलत. Rent and cash. Rent and cash. Why Amit is not debiting? No. Rent paid. Rent. Why we are paying rent? Because we have consumed the services of Amit's बिल्डिंग. अमित की बिल्डिंग को अपन ने यूज किया, उसके हम लोग सर्विसेज रिसीव किया, सर्विसेज के बदले में पे कर रहे. क्लियर? अमित से कोई लिया नहीं है हमने, हमने उसकी सर्विसेज को कंज्यूम किया एंड वी आर पेइंग फॉर इट, सो इट इज नॉमिनल अकाउंट. एंड कैश गोज आउट क्रेडिट. द एंट्री इज रेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश amount 5,000. Next, sold goods to Sumit for cash. Goods sold to Sumit for cash. Wrong. Sold for cash. गलत. एक अकाउंट कैश और दूसरा हो गया सुमित. Earlier I have said we have to remember the name of a person from either amount we have to receive or we have to pay. हमें उस आदमी का नाम याद रखना पड़ता है जिससे पैसा लेना है या देना है. If goods sold for cash, there is no need to remember name of customer. अगर आपने कैश में गुड सेल किया तो नाम याद रखने की जरूरत पड़ती है क्या? बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि आपने गुड सेल किया, कैश ले लिया, बात खत्म. Then cash real account comes in debit and sales is our nominal account credit. Cash account debit to sales. Cash to sales 6,000. Next, it has given goods cash sales 7,000. Means goods sold for cash. Again there are two accounts. One is cash, another is sales. Same. Cash account debit to sales. And amount is 7,000. Cash received from Naresh on account 5,000. अब ऑन अकाउंट का मतलब ये है कि जितना अपन मांगते थे उसमें से आज 5,000 ही मिले हैं, बाकी पैसे अपन को बाद में मिलेंगे. अगर लिखा होता फुल सेटलमेंट तो इसका मतलब बाकी अमाउंट डिस्काउंट. ये बात क्लियर है क्या? पहले ऑन अकाउंट मीन्स रेस्ट ऑफ द अमाउंट इज टू बी रिसीव्ड इन द फ्यूचर. Yes. Cash from Naresh. Cash, Naresh. Cash is real, comes in debit. Naresh is given to Naresh. Cash account debit to Naresh 5,000. Or last, salary is paid. There are two accounts. One is salary. Another is cash. Salary is nominal. Cash is real. Why we are paying salary? Why we are paying salary? We are consuming the services of our employee, so we are paying for it. Salary account debit because it is our expense. Then entry is last entry. Salary debit because our expense. Cash goes out credit. 10,000. जल्दी से खत्म करो.